Hey, welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews, and today is mail call day. Nice package. So, let's get to see what's in the package, and we'll go from there. Use my new knife that Roberto got me. There it is. And this will be an interesting package for sure. And this is how it's sent. Very secure, that's for sure, because it comes a long way, long journey. And here it is, my one and only that I wanted to share with everybody. Just came in, my new Starbucks mug. Yay! But you got to see this one. This is very cool, very unique. Here it is. Found this online. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Let's take off the cap. And it's very...
Is that the cap or is that the bottom?
Yeah, that's the cap.
Oh,
it's just brand new and really hard to do. But and this does hot or cold. And really, I can't wait till try this out tomorrow. Starbucks rock. I just thought I'd share this with all my folks. Later, guys.